at Baker Beach. I'm gonna catch these crabs. I got 3 poles in. I gotta wait a couple of minutes. I might even bring out my wetsuit and crab trap here, see what's going on. I'm pretty excited. I feel good. I want to get those crabs. So 3 poles in the water, using squid and shrimp today. Baker Beach, good old Golden Gate. Brought the dog and wife with. Alright, so let's get to it. Fishing trial in air, gonna catch a bunch of crabs today, man. Let's go. Come on, crabs. See seal out there, it's not too good. Seal better not take my bait. I did, it fell off. Look at that, a little baby one. There we go. We got dinner. Yeah, baby Dungeness. Little baby, I don't want you to push my finger. Getting married, guys. Thank you, I'm getting married. Got a crab. A little baby Dungeness. Oh, this is a real red rock. Here we go. Let's see if it's 4 inches. One little claw. Too small. Yeah, a little red rock. Might be 4 inches, but it's just too small. I got one claw. I'll let it grow more. Sweet. We're back. Throw him back. That was a him. Oh, that's disgusting. Big one. Come on, big old juicy one. I'm already thinking about the garlic butter to go with it. Come on. Oh yeah, there we go, baby. Come on, baby. Feels like a keeper. You never know. Arms are pretty weak. Damn it. Definitely had one and I lost it. I misread that way. Grab 3 and throw them back. That's unfortunate. Alright, bringing out the secret weapon. Smoke lands. Let's see if this goes. I'm gonna change snares too. I don't like this snare right now. Only 3 of them for like 15. And I got this cooler on the curve here, and then I put some styrofoam wheels on it. Thing works perfect on the sand. This guy's eating his own kind. Oh no! Looks like I got an audience today. Drop it. No. 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 No.
Dear God, can you please let this fisherman, please let him catch a crab he can keep? I've seen him out here all day, and I think he deserves one. So, can you just help him out a little bit? Thanks, God.
This is it. Put on that intense music. Come on. Here it is. Last reel. Something is. Dang it. Let's go. Oh yeah. I asked for it. I got it. Come on. Come on. Come on, baby. Get in here. Oh yeah! Hell yeah! Oh man, I needed that last reel of Monster Red Rock. Oh hell yeah! Nice male too. It's a monster. This thing weighs 3 pounds. What the hell? This thing is. Oh, there's so much weight on this guy. Holy shit. Nice. Last reel in.
Like, comment, subscribe.